Namaste, Jevin. I, Jevin Shobha Kumar, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's Institute, Jaipur. Today I did a lecture on this topic, soil fertility evaluation and soil testing and critical level of different nutrient in soil. Why soil fertility evaluate? The soil fertility evaluation, the diagnosis of the nutrient status of the soil by using different techniques or method known as a soil fertility evaluation. Why? Why we take soil fertility evaluation? That diagnose the nutrient status of the soil by using different techniques. Which different techniques? Method of soil fertility evaluation. There are various diagnostic techniques that are commonly used to evaluate fertility of soil. First one, nutrient deficiency symptoms on plants. This is first one method by you for using for soil fertility evaluation. Which one? Nutrient deficiency symptoms on plant. Plant analysis, biological test, soil testing, modern approaches of soil fertility evaluation, and fertilizer recommendation. First one, we talk about the first one, soil testing. How to soil testing is responsible, how to soil testing is help in a soil fertility evaluation. Soil testing, a soil test is a chemical method for the estimated the nutrient supplying power of a soil. It is much more rapid and has to the added advantage over the other method of soil fertility evaluation. One can determine the need of the soil before the crop is planted. A soil test measures a part of the total nutrient supply in the soil. Soil testing play a key role in a today modern and intensive agriculture production system as it involves continuous use and the misuse of the soil without proper care and management. Soil analysis is the helpful for better understanding of the soil to increase the crop production and obtaining sustainable yield also. Soil testing is an indispensable tool in a soil fertility management for sustained productivity. Objective of soil testing. First objective to evaluate fertility status of the soil by measuring available nutrient status. To prescribe the recommended soil amendment like lime, gypsum, and fertilizer for the each crop. To assess nutrient deficiency, imbalance, or toxicity in the soil and the crop. To test the suitability of soil for cultivation, gardening, or orchard making. To know active acidity, alkalinity, and salinity problems by soil testing method. To know morphology, genesis, and classification of soil. To find out the effect of irrigation on soil properties, to prepare soil fertility map on an area, village, Taluka district. These are objectives achieved by the soil testing method. In the soil testing program, soil sampling is most important step to be followed for getting accurate result. What is step is most important? Soil sampling. Soil sampling is a process by which a true representative sample of an area or orchard can be obtained. The soil sampling must be done scientifically by adopting appropriate time and depth of sampling given for each crop for accurate analysis of soil. First of all, soil fertility evaluation क्यों करते हैं? सोइल के स्टेटस को एनालाइज करने के लिए सोइल टेस्टिंग fertility evaluation करने के कौन कौन से मेथड है? फर्स्ट वन सोइल टेस्टिंग. सोइल टेस्टिंग करने से हमें क्या क्या नॉलेज होता है? जैसे फर्टिलिटी स्टेटस ऑफ सोइल पता चलता है, जो सोइल है वो हम किस तरह की क्रॉप के लिए हम यूज कर सकते हैं, हम गार्डनिंग कर सकते हैं या हम कल्टीवेशन प्रोसेस कर सकते हैं उसके ऊपर. तो सोइल टेस्टिंग से हमें डिफरेंट क्राइटेरिया के पता चलते हैं कि इस सोइल एसिडिक है या अल्कलाइन है, बेसिक है, सोइल का स्ट्रक्चर का सैंडी सोइल है, क्ले सोइल है, लॉम सोइल है. These are the phenomena is analyzed by the soil testing process in a soil fertility evaluation topics method. Thank you. If you guys student, if you have any query, any doubt regarding this session soil fertility evaluation, you write in comment box.